Welcome back to our WebSnax series. My name is Ashley, and I am here to talk to you this week about small tool and attachment trackers. While we offer the smallest cellular tracker in North America, this might not always make the most sense for you. This could be due to the cost of the asset or the size of the tool. So we wanted to highlight some other options that we typically recommend. First up, we're going to talk about Bluetooth trackers. Bluetooth trackers are great for yards or job sites. You have to think of it as a mesh network. So you have your trackers all around on different tools and assets, but you're still going to need to have something to collect that data. Typically, you have anything from Bluetooth hubs, or you can have apps running on the phone. But they do have some cons to that. Think of it as, let's say you have some AirPods in. You go ahead, you set your phone down, that's the hub. The minute that you walk too far away, that music's gonna stop because that hub can't collect that or send out that data anymore. That's the same thing that can happen with your Bluetooth trackers. So if you don't really have a location problem on a job site or in a yard, those are great to walk around and find your tool. But if you do have a theft item or people accidentally leave these tools outside of the job site or anything like that, you're not gonna have a way to find out where they are. Last up, we wanted to highlight an inspection application. Inspection applications are great because they're not only going to give you a timestamp of location, but they're also going to give you a sense of accountability. As each individual has their own login credentials, you're going to also know the operator's ID who's doing that said inspection. The inspection feature should have automatic reporting that's going to alert the correct parties on what steps need to be taken. Whether that's just knowing that the inspection has been completed for records, or maybe noting that there's damages and that item needs to be replaced or fixed, or even just knowing if that item wasn't scanned at all. Thanks so much for listening to this week's WebSnax. Be sure to reach out to us for any questions, and please note that each customer has different use cases. So I'd love to hear about yours, because regardless of the asset, it should be tracked.